Imagine a spacecraft hurtling through the darkness of space, its golden exterior shimmering in the distant sunlight. This is Voyager 1, a vessel launched from Earth's surface on a daring mission to explore the outer realms of our solar system. But the tale of Voyager 1 is more than just a journey through the cosmos. It's a story of human ingenuity, perseverance, and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. Our journey begins in the late 1970s, a time when the space race was at its peak and the mysteries of the universe beaconed to humanity with an irresistible allure. On a crisp September morning in 1977, a mighty Titan rocket rode to life at Cape Canaveral, carrying with it a precious cargo, Voyager 1, a spacecraft brimming with scientific instruments and a message from Earth to the stars. Voyager 1's mission was ambitious: to conduct flybys of Jupiter and Saturn, two of the largest and most enigmatic planets in our celestial neighborhood. But as it soared through the void, Voyager 1 became more than just a robotic explorer. It became a window into the cosmos, capturing our imaginations and inspiring wonder in the hearts of all who beheld its journey. On March 5, 1979, Voyager 1 reached its first destination, the gas giant Jupiter. As it approached, the spacecraft's cameras captured breathtaking images of swirling storms and colossal clouds, while its instruments revealed the secrets of Jupiter's magnetic field and moons. But the true marvel came when Voyager 1 discovered something unexpected: a moon named Io, with volcanoes erupting in fiery splendor against the backdrop of space. With Jupiter conquered, Voyager 1 set its sight on the ringed jewel of our solar system, Saturn. On November 12, 1980, the spacecraft made its closest approach, diving through the icy rings and capturing images of breathtaking views. But it was what lay beyond the rings that truly captivated the world: a mysterious moon named Titan, veiled in a thick orange haze, hiding secrets that would one day ignite the imagination of explorers yet unborn. But Voyager 1's journey was far from over. With its primary mission complete, the spacecraft embarked on a new journey, one that would take it beyond the boundaries of our solar system and into the uncharted realms of interstellar space. On August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 achieved a milestone that seemed almost inconceivable. It became the first human-made object to cross the threshold into interstellar space. As it ventured into the unknown, Voyager 1 continued to communicate with its creators, sending back valuable data and insights into the mysteries of the cosmos. But perhaps Voyager 1's most profound moment came not from its scientific discoveries, but from a simple photograph, a portrait of our planet, taken from a distance of billions of kilometers, known as the pale blue dot. This image captured the fragility and beauty of our home, a tiny speck of light suspended in the vastness of space, a reminder of the preciousness of life and the unity of humanity. And let us not forget the golden record, a testament to the diversity and creativity of our species, containing music, greetings, and images meant to convey the richness of human culture to any beings that might one day encounter it in the depths of space. As we reflect on the epic journey of Voyager 1, we are reminded of the boundless potential of human exploration and the enduring spirit of curiosity that drives us ever onward. Though Voyager 1 may now be but a speck in the vast expanse of the cosmos, its legacy lives on, a symbol of our relentless quest to explore, discover, and understand the wonders of the universe.